Okay, so you're out of the office and you need to set up a meeting with some colleagues. You don't have access to Microsoft Outlook, so you're going to need to use the Outlook web apps. So to access the mail application, we're going to go to owa.ue.ac.uk, where we shall sign in with our email address and password. Once signed in, you go straight into your email. Okay. To access your calendar to create the appointment, you're going to click the App Launcher button up in the top left-hand corner and select Calendar. Once in your calendar, you're going to create a new meeting. So we're literally just going to press New just here. It's going to bring up our options. So here we're going to load in our details. So it's going to be a team meeting between myself and a couple of my colleagues. I'd like it to be on Wednesday next week, and I prefer my meetings in the morning. So let's go about 10 o'clock, give everybody a chance to wake up and get a cup of coffee. Default reminder, when you'll get an email or a pop-up notification, is set to 15 minutes, but you can set it to however long you want. I'm just going to set myself a polite reminder at 5 minutes before the meeting. So we're going to add in some details as to what we're going to be talking about. So we're going to have a catch-up around Office 365. And any other items to discuss. Okay, so I've got the details of the meeting in. I want to add some of my colleagues in here to come to the meeting. So best way to do this is to make sure that everybody is available by going into the scheduling assistant. So we need to add our attendees. So I'm going to start off with Patrick. And I'm also going to add in Hugh. Okay, so what we can see straight away here is at 10 o'clock in the morning on the 29th of June, Paddy's busy. So I need to select either another time or another day. Now, for me, not a big fan of having meetings in the morning, so I'm going to have a look at the next day, the 30th. And it looks like, well, Hugh has a provisional appointment going through till 10:30. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the meeting time. I'm going to set it to 10:45. Gives Hugh a chance to get back from wherever he's wanting to go. And so we know we've got that free time slot there. The other room that I would like is to have the meeting in a room rather than at our desks or in a coffee shop. Okay, so this is a list of free meeting rooms. And let's see if we've got anything close to where we all work over on the business park. Hopefully, so we got building 650 upstairs, room E. So now we've selected our rooms. We know we're available room. We know all my colleagues are free to meet. So I'm going to click OK at the top to save the colleagues. I'm going to double check all the details. And if I wanted to, I could attach a document providing details of the meeting. So I also want to run through updating of the service status page for my colleagues. So they've now got the Word document that will take them through and allow them to prepare in time. Once you've added everything in that you need, you just click on Send, and your colleagues will receive an email inviting you along to the meeting. If you realise